Have you ever wondered if there's a way to invest your hard-earned money without the hassle of traditional brokerage accounts? Have you heard of Stash? It's a popular app that promises to make investing accessible to everyone. But is it legit? Let's dive in and find out. Brief overview of investing. Before we get into Stash, let's quickly recap what investing is. Simply put, it's the process of putting your money to work so it can grow over time. There are different ways to invest, including stocks, bonds, and funds. Challenges of traditional investing. Traditional investing can be intimidating for beginners. It often involves complex jargon, high minimum investments, and the need for extensive financial knowledge. This is where apps like Stash come in. Introducing Stash. What is Stash? Stash is an investment app that simplifies the process of investing. It offers a user-friendly interface, low minimum investments, and fractional shares. Key features of Stash. Fractional shares. This allows you to invest in small portions of stocks or ETFs, making it more affordable. Automated investing. Stash offers automatic investing features, such as recurring deposits and roundups. Personalized portfolios. The app helps you create personalized portfolios based on your goals and risk tolerance. Educational resources. Stash provides educational content to help you learn about investing. Is Stash legit? Safety and security. One of the most important questions when considering an investment app is its safety and security. Stash is a SEC-registered investment advisor, which means it's subject to regulatory oversight. The app also uses industry-standard security measures to protect your personal and financial information. Fees and costs. It's crucial to understand the fees associated with using Stash. While the app itself is free, there are fees for certain features, such as premium memberships and automatic investing. It's important to carefully review the fee structure before signing up. Customer service. Good customer service is essential for any investment app. Stash offers various customer support options, including email, phone, and in-app chat. Many users have reported positive experiences with Stash's customer service. Real-world examples. To get a better sense of Stash's legitimacy, let's look at some real-world examples of users who have had success with the app. We can interview or find testimonials from individuals who have used Stash to achieve their financial goals. Pros and cons of Stash. Pros. User-friendly interface. Low minimum investments. Fractional shares. Automated investing. Educational resources. Cons. Fees for certain features. Limited investment options compared to traditional brokerage accounts. May not be suitable for advanced investors. Is Stash right for you? Consider your investment goals. Before deciding if Stash is the right app for you, consider your investment goals. If you're a beginner looking for a simple way to start investing, Stash could be a good option. However, if you're an experienced investor with more complex needs, you may want to explore other options. Compare Stash to other apps. There are many other investment apps available, each with its own unique features and benefits. It's a good idea to compare Stash to other popular apps to see which one best suits your needs. Recap key points. Let's recap the key points we've discussed. Stash is a legitimate investment app that offers a user-friendly interface, low minimum investments, and fractional shares. While it has its pros and cons, it can be a great option for beginners looking to start investing. Final thoughts. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use Stash depends on your individual circumstances. It's important to do your own research and carefully consider the pros and cons before making a decision. Encourage viewers to try Stash. If you're interested in trying Stash, I encourage you to visit their website or download the app. They often offer promotional codes or incentives for new users. Subscribe and share. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance and investing. And if you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.